Mastering the basics. Writing numbers 1 to 10. Hello, learners. Today we are going to explore an important foundation of the English language. Writing numbers from 1 to 10. This is called using cardinal numbers. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. By the end of this video, you will be able to write and recognize numbers from 1 to 10 in English. Cardinal numbers are simply the numbers we use for counting. They tell us how many of something exists. Today we're focusing on the first 10, numbers 1 through 10. Let's dive right into writing these numbers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to pause the video to practice writing as we go. 1. It's the simplest number, just a single vertical line. 2. A curve, a line across and a bigger curve downwards. 3. 2 half circles on top of each other. 4. Looks like a chair when written correctly. It's an inverted L and a horizontal line through the middle. 5. It starts as a straight line, then a semicircle. 6. Looks like a snail, a circle with a tail. 7. It's a horizontal line with an angled line going down. 8. 2 circles on top of each other, like a snowman. 9. A circle sitting on a line. 10. It's a 1, followed by a 0. Now, it's your turn. Grab a piece of paper and a pen. Write each number from 1 to 10. Don't worry about speed, focus on being accurate. Once you're comfortable, try writing the numbers out of order, like 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, etc. This will help you master the writing of each individual number. And that's a wrap on writing numbers 1 to 10 in English. You're well on your way to mastering the basics of English. Remember, practice is the key to becoming comfortable with these numbers. Don't hesitate to rewind the video and go through the sections again if you need to. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue our exploration of English numbers. Keep practicing and see you soon.